Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the workbook you plan to email and make sure your recipient list is already formatted as columns: name, email, and any merge data. You need the Developer tab available. Once done, enable macros in Trust Center so automation can run. Create a short test sheet with one row to avoid sending mass emails by mistake. Save the file as XLSM if you will use VBA. Now, you are ready to start writing the routine that pulls rows and prepares messages. In the Visual Basic editor, insert a new module and begin a procedure that instantiates Outlook. Application. You will loop through each row of your recipient list, build a personalized subject and body using merge fields, and use mail item. To assign recipient addresses. If you need attachments, export the relevant worksheet or range to PDF first and attach that file. Make sure to include error handling, so the macro skips blank or malformed emails and logs successes as it runs. Execute the macro first on a single, controlled test row and confirm the draft or sent email looks correct. You want to verify formatting, attachments, and personalization. Once satisfied, run the full loop. If Outlook blocks sending, check for security prompts and consider using a sign macro or setting appropriate trust settings. If something goes wrong, make sure addresses are valid, Excel ranges referenced correctly, and macros are enabled. Keep a log of sent items so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.